Landing gear. Objectives. After completing this section, you will get familiar with landing gear configuration, nose wheel, brakes, and hydraulic system. Landing gear configuration. The DA-40NG airplane has a fixed tricycle undercarriage. It is comprised of the main landing gear with two wheels and a single nose landing gear. Each wheel of the DA-40NG main landing gear consists of a sprung steel strut and a wheel assembly. Steel struts are attached to the center section of the fuselage by strung mounts. Each main landing gear wheel includes an optional fairing attachment. Nose wheel. The nose wheel is a free castering wheel. It has a spring loaded by an elastomer pack and a detachable fairing. Note: when the wheel fairings are detached, flight performance is reduced in certain areas. The nose wheel is a free castering wheel. It is not connected to the pedals in the cockpit, and hence, it is not steerable. When the force is applied, the wheel can deviate from the center line, up to 30 degrees, to either side. The wheel comes back to its center position when the force is removed. The caster angle is limited by the caster stop. To make a turn, on the ground while taxiing, brake pedals located in the cockpit are used. The left pedal is used to steer the aircraft to the left. In the same way, the right pedal is used to turn right. Brakes. Brake discs are located on each wheel of the main landing gear. They are operated hydraulically by the toe pedals located in the cockpit. The left pedal is used to apply the brake on the left wheel. In the same way, the right pedal is used to apply the brake on the right wheel. Each brake can be used individually. The small console placed under the instrument panel contains a parking brake lever. To apply the parking brake, both toe pedals should be pressed at the same time. Then, the parking brake lever is moved to the lower lock position. To release the brake, the lever should be moved to the upper release position. Hydraulic system. The schematic diagram shows the hydraulic system in operation. The DA-40NG has two separate brake systems, a left brake system and a right brake system. These systems are activated when the brake pedals are pressed. When a pilot presses the left brake pedal, the initial connection to the co-pilot's master cylinder is cut off. The fluid flows from the left brake pedal to the brake caliper in the left wheel. The parking brake valve is open, and the left brake is applied. The right brake system works in the same way. The parking brake system is activated when a pilot applies both brakes at the same time. The fluid flows from both pedals to the brake calipers in both wheels of the main landing gear. In the parking state, the brake valve acts as a one-way valve, increasing the fluid pressure in the brake assembly of both wheels. Increased pressure keeps brakes in the on state. Summary. With this section, you got familiar with landing gear configuration, nose wheel, brakes, and hydraulic system.